Hello viewers, this video is about polynomials and the subtopic we are considering is the long division. The question goes thus: find the quotient and remainder when 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 10 is divided by x minus 3. A quick one before we dive into the solution proper. Let's look at the relationship that exists between this polynomial of a higher degree and this polynomial of the lower degree. Let's say we are given 20 divided by 7. Of course, you agree with me that 20 is greater than 7. So let's view this 20 as this polynomial with a higher degree and this 7 as the polynomial with a lower degree. So when we say 20 divided by 7, what solution is it going to give to us? It's going to be 2, leaving a remainder of 6. 20 divided by 7 is 2, remainder 6. So what is this 20 called? The 20 is called the dividend. And the 7 is called the divisor, or if you like, divisor. You can contact your dictionary to get the transcription. 7 can be called the divisor. It's called a divisor, of course, because it's the smaller number that is dividing the bigger number. So the bigger number to be divided, or the one on top, is called the dividend. So what is 2 called? 2 is called the quotient. And of course, 6 is called the remainder. "20", which represents the polynomial with a higher degree, is called the dividend. 7, which represents the polynomial with a lower degree, is the divisor. 2 is the quotient, and 6 is the remainder. So this is dividend, dividend, and this is divisor. So the next thing now is to set up our division symbol and move into our long division. In here, we'll be having 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x and then minus 10. That is what we have. And outside here, we'll be having x minus 3. So we'll start our division properly. 2x cubed divided by x. 2x cubed divided by x will give us 2x squared, and that will be written above here. That's 2x raised to power 2, 2x squared. What does 2x cubed mean? It means 2 times x times x times x, because x cubed is x times x times x. That's x cubed. And then the 2, which is the coefficient, is here. Divided by x, 2x cubed divided by x. So we're going to be having x under. So this x will cancel one of this x, so we left it 2 times x, which of course is 2x squared. So 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. That's the breakdown. Now, immediately we carry out that division, we're going to go through a round of multiplication. And it goes this way. 2x squared multiplied by x will give us 2x cubed. 2x squared multiplied by negative 3 will give us negative 6x squared. Because 2 times 3 is 6. Because of this negative sign, minus times plus is minus, then x squared. Immediately we do that, we are going to have to subtract. And 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that will be 0. So this has been eliminated. Then we have negative 3x squared minus negative 6x squared. Minus times minus here is plus. So we'll be having minus 3x squared plus 6x squared. Minus 3 plus 6 is going to give us positive 3. And of course, the variable with it is x squared. So negative 3x squared minus negative 6x squared. Minus times minus is plus. Is what we have seen there. So minus 3x squared plus 6x squared is going to give us 3x squared. Immediately we do that, we are going to use arrow to bring down the next term, which is plus 4x. The next thing is to go through our division again. Repeat the pattern. 3x squared divided by x. This place is positive, this place is positive. So plus divided by plus remains plus still. 3x squared divided by x will give us 3x. Go through our round of multiplication again. 3x multiplied by x will give us 3x squared. Plus times minus is minus. 3x multiplied by 3 will give us 9x. And after that, we subtract again. 3x squared minus 3x squared will be 0. Eliminated. 4x minus negative 9x. Minus times minus is plus. So 4x plus 9x gives us 13x. Once we do that again, after our subtraction, we use our arrow to bring down the next term. That is minus 10. We go for division again. 13x divided by x, that'll give us plus 13. Because this is plus, positive, positive. Positive divided by positive is still positive. 13x divided by x will be 13. We go over the multiplication again. 13 times x is 13x. Plus times minus is minus. 13 times 3 gives us 39. Then we subtract again. 13x minus 13x, that is 0. Eliminated. Minus 10 minus 39. I take that again. Negative 10 minus negative 39. Minus times minus is plus. So we'll be having minus 10 plus 39, which of course is going to give us positive 29. So minus 10 minus 39 is minus 10 plus 39. That's going to give us plus 29. So there is nothing to bring down again with our arrow. Our work stops here. So we are asked to look for the quotient and the remainder, because remember, this is the dividend, this is the divisor, this represents the quotient in this situation, and this represents the remainder. So for the work that we have done, what is the quotient? The quotient is what we have up here. That is 2x squared plus 3x and plus 13. And of course, what is the remainder? Remainder is what we have here, which of course is 29. So that is long division method for you for finding quotient and remainder of two polynomials. Thank you.